wabarakatuh.
Are you learning Islam?
Yes.
It is religion that spreads terrorism. Tomorrow you also will turn out to be a terrorist and destroy the peace of the world.
Well, if you consider Islam as a terrorist religion, do you have evidence for this claim?
Yes, dear. The people who believe in the religion of Islam, they kill people for no reason. Considering war as a religious duty, inhabited cities and towns are destroyed, which spreads fear and pickle among the people. Is it not terrorism in the name of religion? So what is it?
Perhaps you have studied the religion of Islam by the book of Orientalists. That's why you are talking like this. For your information, there are two types of jihad in our religion. One is defensive jihad and the other is proactive jihad. In defensive jihad, an Islamic country prevents an attack on it by another country. And an Islamic country prevents an attack on it by another country and prepares arms and army for it. Then this is its right recognized by the whole world. For this reason, every small and big country in the world has stockpiles of weapons and everyone has prepared their own army. Therefore, the United States, which is largest nuclear power and it has the largest number of manufacturing factories, will be the biggest terrorist in the world. And the second biggest terrorist country will be China. And the third biggest terrorist country will be Israel and India. When all of them are terrorists, then why are you putting all the blame on Islam and Islamic countries?
Thank you for explanation about defensive jihad. But I think you have forgot. You told about a defensive jihad, but you did not tell about attack jihad. Please tell me by explanation about attack jihad.
Okay. The second type of jihad in our religion is proactive jihad. The second type of jihad in our religion is proactive jihad, in which an Islamic country attacks a tyrannical infidel state and destroys its glory. In addition, consider that it's duty to eliminate the forces that oppose to the threat to the security of Islam and the Islamic State in the future. There is nothing wrong with it rationally. Therefore, the United States, which is also the largest nuclear power and has the largest and destroys its glory. In addition, it considered that it's duty to eliminate the forces that oppose to the security and that oppose to the security of Islamic State in the future. There is nothing wrong with it rationally. So that the reason why today every major state of the world has formed a formal security council which monitors other countries and they impose war on countries that are a threat to their security. For many decades, the United States has invaded many countries in the Middle East. Israel on Palestine, Greek on Turkish island of Cyprus, India on Kashmir. According to you, to attack for the security of the country and the suppression of forces is a wrong move, then you first raise your voice against this mention of power of the world and stop them first. If you succeed in this, then speak out against the Islamic State's proactive jihad.
Thank you, sir. You have explained the matter very clearly. Indeed, defensive and attack are not only permissible but necessary.
Thank you for giving me the chance to be happy with the correct recognition. You understand that the defense and attack are important. Now our claim is that Islam is not a terrorist, but a religion of peace and security. It means that what a religion of peace and security. If you think about it, you will know that the meaning of peace and security is found in the name of Islam itself. Look at the 5 pillars of Islam. One has message of peace and security. Rather, both the beginning and the end of Islam are full of peace and security.
Thank you, sir. You revealed the fact and set my settings straight. I am very happy. I am completely satisfied with the Islamic reference. I am also interested in getting the correct knowledge of such a peaceful and secure religion. If you consider it suitable, please tell me about a good and authentic religious institution so that I can spread the message of peace in the world by acquiring religious knowledge.
MashaAllah dear, if you have really started your journey in right direction and if you want to move forward, I will invite you to visit Jamia Madina Tul Ilm, a great standard religious school in Gujranwala.
Thank you.